हमारे मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय हेमंत सोरेन जी को जिस तरह से लगातार एक किया जा रहा था, आज उन्होंने तय किया है कि वो इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं और हमने अपना लीडर आदरणीय चंपई सोरेन जी को चुन लिया है और उसका दावा हम लोग प्रस्तुत करेंगे। सारे विधायक हमारे साथ हैं।
अरे हम लोगों ने नेता चुन लिया, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? नेता चुन लिया तो हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री चंपई सोरेन जी होंगे। हम लोग अपना नेता चुन लिया।
Champai Soren is set to assume the role of Jharkhand Chief Minister, replacing Hemant Soren as announced by the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha on Wednesday. Currently, Hemant Soren is reportedly inside the Raj Bhavan. JMM Rajya Sabha MP Mahua Majhi mentioned ED officials had gone inside Raj Bhavan along with Hemant Soren. This development coincides with Hemant Soren facing ED questioning in connection with alleged money laundering related to a land scam case. The former Chief Minister, previously reported as missing, surfaced at his Ranchi residence yesterday after a raid on his Delhi residence by the central government agency. During the raid, the ED seized Rs 36 lakh and an SUV among other items. Presently, both Hemant and Champai Soren are said to be in a meeting with the governor. Amid speculation surrounding Hemant Soren's wife possibly being named the next Chief Minister, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha dismissed such claims, emphasizing unity within the party. While grappling with the Enforcement Directorate's scrutiny, Hemant Soren has taken legal action by filing an FIR against the agents involved in the raid on his Delhi residence. In response to concerns about potential arrest by the ED, Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren reportedly resigned. In a recent meeting, MLAs supporting the Soren government signed 2 blank papers, one bearing the name of Hemant's wife, Kalpana Soren, and the other of Champai Soren. Following his election as the leader of the Legislative Party, Champai Soren's name was finalized for the chief ministerial post. So, who is Champai Soren? Champai Soren, a senior minister in the Jharkhand government under Hemant Soren's leadership, hails from Jilingora village in the Saraikela Kharsavan district. Born to Simal Soren, a farmer, Champai actively engaged in farm work alongside his father. His educational journey took him up to the 10th grade in a government school. At a young age, he married and became a father to 4 sons and 3 daughters. During the late 90s, when demands for the separate state of Jharkhand intensified, Champai alongside Shibu Soren played a prominent role in the Jharkhand movement, earning the moniker Jharkhand Tiger. His entry into politics began as an independent MLA through a by-election in the Saraikela seat. Subsequently, he joined the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. In the government led by the BJP leader Arjun Munda, Champai Soren served as a cabinet minister holding crucial portfolios. His tenure lasted from September 11, 2010 to January 18, 2013. Following the imposition of President's rule under the leadership of Hemant Soren, Champai Soren assumed the role of Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Transport in the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha government. What lies ahead for Hemant Soren is yet to be seen.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.